Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to talk to you about forecourse divorces. Simon Cowell is no stranger to making headlines, but recently he's been hitting them for all the wrong reasons. Businessman Lauren Silverman has recently filed divorce papers in New York, citing adultery and naming Simon as a party to the proceedings. New York is still one of the few states in America which allows a forecourse divorce, i.e. where a fault is cited. Adultery is one such fault, but it is often very difficult to prove, requiring the evidence of a third party. But in this particular case, it is understood that Mrs. Silverman is in fact 10 weeks pregnant, so presumably, if the adultery is indeed denied, a simple DNA test may be the key. Alternatively, if the adultery is condoned, i.e. if it can be established that Mr. Silverman was in fact actually aware of the extramarital affair, but chose to do nothing about it, then he may well have difficulty in relying upon this as a ground. It is understood from Mrs. Silverman's lawyers that this will be a line of argument they are keen to pursue. It was revealed yesterday that Simon may now have made an offer to pay Mr. Silverman's costs of the divorce in exchange for the charge of adultery being dropped. However, this doesn't mean that Simon's out of the water yet. For in New York, adultery is in fact a criminal misdemeanor, punishable by up to 3 months in prison, although it's highly unlikely that any prosecution will be brought against him. New York divorce law is very similar to Thai divorce law, in that if one spouse does not wish to get divorced, then a forecourse divorce can be brought. Again, similar to New York, adultery is a ground which can be cited in Thailand divorce law. That's all we have time for today. Thank you for watching.